Welcome to our video on the least durable flooring options, a ranking from worst to best. In this guide, we'll explore various flooring types that may sound appealing but struggle to hold up to the demands of everyday life. From vinyl tiles that can't withstand real wear and tear to softwood planks that dent at the slightest impact, we'll break down the durability factors that make these options fall short. Join us as we rank them and help you make informed decisions for your flooring needs. 1. Vinyl tiles struggle under real-world wear. Step into a kitchen with vinyl tiles and you might be dazzled at first, until you spot the scratches near the fridge or the faded patch by the window. Vinyl grabs attention for its bargain price and endless styles, but it simply can't handle the chaos of daily life. Drop a pan, slide a chair, or let a dog scamper by, and you'll see nicks and dents bloom like bruises. Designers warn that even luxury vinyl peels or warps at the seams with moisture or sun. Zillow's home value data shows homes with aging vinyl often get dinged for fixer status. The dream of affordable style often fades fast, replaced by the reality of recurring repairs or a full-on replacement after just a few years. 2. Cheap laminate cracks under pressure. Laminate flooring can look like real hardwood in Instagram photos, but real life exposes its secrets, especially in busy homes. Spilled water seeps into seams, swelling edges and causing planks to curl. Even top-rated brands can show scuffs in high-traffic areas after a single season. Stagers say laminate in an entryway is a red flag for buyers, since one rainy day can mean buckling boards. Laminate is a gamble in kitchens and mudrooms, says designer Jenna Rose. The click-together installation is easy, but the lifespan is often shockingly short, 7 to 10 years if you're lucky, even less if you've got pets or kids with muddy shoes. 3. Basic carpets lose their charm quickly. Carpet might feel plush underfoot, but its beauty is heartbreakingly fleeting in homes that actually get lived in. A spilled coffee, a crayon mishap, or a pet with muddy paws can leave stains that never quite come out. Even stain-resistant options lose their resilience after repeated scrubbing. Stairs and hallways flatten fast, and high-traffic zones turn a sad, uneven shade within a few years. The Carpet and Rug Institute says 5 to 15 years is average, but real homeowners often rip out worn carpet long before then. Staging experts note that dated, dingy carpet cuts into perceived home value and makes rooms feel smaller and less fresh. 4. Bamboo flooring bruises more than expected. Bamboo flooring has a reputation for eco-chic style, but its durability is surprisingly unpredictable. A fallen can or a pet's claws can leave visible gouges, and humidity swings can make planks swell or gap. Even strand-woven bamboo, which is marketed as tougher, still struggles with dents in high-traffic areas. Designers say bamboo is risky in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements, where moisture can unravel its beauty. While some bamboo floors last 10 to 25 years, many show their age early, especially if installed in climates with big seasonal changes. In a resale market, buyers are often cautious unless the bamboo looks flawless. 5. Engineered wood holds up, but only so long. Engineered wood promises the look of hardwood with better resistance to moisture, but it's not immune to real-world challenges. The top veneer layer can only be sanded once or twice, so deep scratches or heavy wear can mean a full replacement, not a quick fix. Home stagers point out that engineered wood in dining rooms often shows chair scuffs and fading from sun exposure. While it handles moderate foot traffic, heavy impacts or prolonged spills can cause warping. The upside is it usually lasts 20 to 30 years with care, but in homes with kids, pets, or lots of entertaining, that number can drop quickly. 6. Sheet linoleum fades in sun and scratches easily. Linoleum is often praised for being eco-friendly and wallet-friendly, but it's thin armor for active homes. Drag a table across it and you'll likely see scratches or even tears. Sunlight can fade its colors, leaving uneven patches that no amount of cleaning can hide. In bathrooms, water can seep under the edges, causing curling or mold. Designers point out that linoleum in older homes is a common target for updates because it rarely ages gracefully. Even with gentle care, 10 to 20 years is the optimistic lifespan. Realistically, many linoleum floors get replaced much sooner. 7. Peel and stick tiles quickly reveal their flaws. Peel and stick tiles are the darling of DIY makeovers, but they can turn into a headache faster than you'd expect. Adhesive weakens in steamy bathrooms or chilly basements, causing corners to lift and collect grime. Heavy furniture can crack the surface, and seams may gap with seasonal temperature swings. I've seen entire floors peel up after a summer heatwave, says renovation expert Marco Ellis. These tiles can work for quick fixes or temporary solutions, but they rarely impress during home tours, and often need replacing within just a few years. 8. Softwood planks dent at the lightest impact. Softwood floors, like pine or fir, bring a rustic, charming vibe, but they're notorious for denting under even gentle pressure. Move a sofa, drop a remote, or wear heels and you'll likely leave lasting marks. Unlike oak or maple, softwoods can't shrug off daily hustle. Stagers often advise against softwood in family rooms or hallways, noting it's best for bedrooms or studies with less traffic. While refinishing can hide some damage, repeated dents and scratches can add up, leaving floors looking worn before their time. 9. Unsealed concrete chips and stains. Fast concrete floors are trending for their industrial edge, but unsealed concrete is a magnet for chips, cracks, and stains. A dropped dish can leave a permanent mark, and spilled drinks can seep into pores, leaving dark spots that resist cleaning. Home design experts say unsealed concrete works only in low traffic spaces or as a blank canvas for future upgrades. Without sealing, concrete is cold, dusty, and unforgiving, often disappointing homeowners who expected low-maintenance chic. 10. Cork tiles compress and fade in sunlight. Cork flooring is celebrated for comfort and warmth, but it has a fragile side that's hard to ignore. Heavy furniture leaves lasting dents, and high heels or pet claws can puncture its soft surface. Direct sunlight fades cork quickly, and moisture can cause tiles to swell or buckle. Designers suggest using cork only in low-traffic bedrooms or offices, not in busy kitchens or entryways. Its cozy feel comes at a cost. Cork floors often need replacing or refinishing far sooner than most homeowners hope.